Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So let's just first see that in my case the Google Fit is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should hold for a while our device screen and click here to the home settings. You will see here the show Google app switcher. Just to turn it off, click once on the switcher, and now we can see that when we just slide to the right side that the Google Discover is turned off. If you want to turn it on again, just hold for a while, tap to the home settings and click show Google app again, and after that we can see that the Google Discover is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.